everyone, welcome back. I just did a fill on my dominant hand and I re-sculpted my thumb. I have to file everything, so let's do that, and then we're gonna go in with some nail art. I'm now done finished filing everything. I'm gonna pop up on the screen right over here the inspiration for my nails so you can see what I kind of have in mind for what I'm doing. So the colors that I'm gonna go with for this look, I'm gonna do neons, and I chose 3 different colors. So this is from Envogue. This is the color Dragon Fruit, and it's a nice neon pink. And I know in camera it's probably not gonna look as neon as what it is, but it's definitely a really, really bright neon pink. And then from PLA, this is the color, it's called A Night at Caesars. And it's a nice, like, bright purple. And then out of all of the gel polish and potted gel, this is the only neon yellow that I have. So I'm gonna use this. And then I'm not gonna do an ombre that she had in the video. I'm actually gonna do, since this is my dominant hand, I'm actually gonna do a marble instead. So I have, instead of a blooming gel, I'm gonna use from Envogue, I'm gonna use Simply Connect. I don't have a blooming gel. If you have any sort of a gel, like a base gel like this from Envogue, or if you have, say, from the Profiles new Babe collection, their bonding base gel, or if not, from Magic Gel, you have the silicone thin base. All 3 of these can be a substitution for a blooming gel. So for this video, I'm gonna use from Envogue, I'm gonna use the Simply Connect as my blooming gel. In her video, at the edges of her ombre, she uses gold foil. And instead of gold foil on the edges of my marble, I'm either gonna go in with silver foil, or if not, I actually have right here, I have a whole stack of black foil. And these are just, it's the same thing as this, except for these are sheets and they're not like crumpled up in a jar. So I'm gonna use either one of these, I'm not sure yet. On a palette, I have this from Nail Flight USA. I'm gonna take all of my colors, just going to lay them out. And since I'm gonna do a marble on all of my nails, I know I'm gonna need more as I go along. It's gonna be a nice summer gonna start from the corner and just go down diagonally, I think. Yeah, I think I'm gonna and let's pop that in to the lamp. That looks really cool. I'm kind of just letting my brush do the work when I'm doing this. And however the product, when I pick the product up, whatever just comes out and off the brush, that is literally how the marble looks. And as you can see, no two nails are alike with this look. I'm actually gonna go in and take a little bit . I want more purple. Where's my yellow? And this is why also when you're doing something like this, you want to make sure your colors aren't over blending. and getting all like muddied and brown. But you want to have fun. So you want to make sure when you do stuff like this, you want to pay attention to your color wheel. So you want to make sure that the colors you choose are going to blend well together. I'm going to go in with this from Wildflowers, and this is a silicone tool. I'm literally just going to use this, and I'm going to go in on the tacky layer of the gel, and I'm just going to put the tiny little bits of black foil on my thumb. I'm gonna try this on my thumb first and just kind of see what it looks like. This doesn't have to be perfect because her photo wasn't perfect. It kind of, you know, and I don't want this to be perfect. I'm gonna kind of make it look like scattered. I'm gonna kind of make it look like scattered as it go up. Okay, break this up a little bit. I actually like this better without, that's without the foil and that's with the foil. I actually like it better without the foil. So I'm going to remove it. So let's go in with a lint-free wipe. I'm gonna go in with some cleanser. And let's just remove the foil. What I did before is I did put the top coat on, but I did notice that there were some lumps and bumps. So I went in and I used a buffer and I just smoothed everything out. And I now just took all of the dust off. So I'm gonna go back in with the same top coat I did before, which is from Magic Gel. It is the Tackless Hyper Shine top coat. I hope you enjoyed this watch me work video. I haven't done one of these in quite a while. Everything I use will be listed in the description box below. If you have any questions, let me know. I actually really like how this set came out, even though my inspiration picture and how the design came out were two different things. Next time I end up doing my nails, I'm gonna end up keeping the marble and I might add to this. So I might end up doing another watch me work. I'll talk to you later. Bye.